There is a land where history is written, a land of civilizations. It is the land of Sufis and saints. It has been the crown jewel of the Mughals. This land has seen leaders and leadership. It is rich in history and heritage, in ethnicity and acceptance. It has divinity and devotion. It is the province of fabulous folklore. This land is the heart of Pakistan. Welcome to the magnificent province of Punjab. Punjab is Pakistan's most populated province. It is a rich province, rich in economics, rich in agriculture. Great vision comes with great leadership, and Punjab has great leadership.
We have very transparent policy instruments to produce more, generate more revenues, and employ more people.
Among the South Asian economies, Punjab has one of the best infrastructures and an efficient network of roads connecting Punjab within and with other regions. The demand of infrastructural projects stand at its highest due to high economic growth. Punjab is the most urbanized province of Pakistan, with 32% of its population living in urban areas. More people means a need for more houses. Punjab requires 2.5 million housing units, which is a great opportunity for investors. We as a species have never been so dependent on power and energy as we are now in the 21st century. Today, Punjab has energy and power shortage, which is a possible investment opportunity for a clairvoyant investor. The annual current demand of electricity in Punjab is 8,100 megawatt, which is increasing consistently at more than 8% per annum. Punjab's rich natural resources such as coal, biomass, water, sun, and minerals can be used to fill the gap with the right investment in the province by experienced investors. Punjab is rich in mineral wealth and has been providing raw material to many large-scale industries like cement, chemical, glass, and ceramics. Mineral sector offers attractive investment opportunities for iron ore and copper mining, establishment of steel mills, and proposal for local coal-fired power plants. There are also opportunities to establish cement and chemical plants in the mineral-rich province. The government of Punjab has invested heavily in industrial parks with state-of-the-art facilities such as dedicated access roads and infrastructure of international standards. Believe it or not, Punjab has the world's largest canal irrigation system. Hence, it contributes to 70% of the total food grain production in the country. Agriculture is the largest income and employment generating sector of Pakistan's economy. Punjab's agriculture sector accounts for almost 24% of GDP and employs 44% of the labor force in Pakistan. Pakistan is the fourth largest milk producer in the world and more than 60% of it comes from Punjab. Cotton from Punjab is the backbone of our exports. Punjab contributes to 70% of Pakistan's cotton production, which results in the textile sector contributing to 60% of Pakistan's exports. Punjab is also leading the path for information technology development in Pakistan by developing IT parks. The future looks promising with the investment of $2.3 billion in the year 2014 and 15. Several energy sector projects have been initiated and completed in Punjab, including the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is one of the most transformational projects of the 21st century. CPEC alone will generate industry and industrial states, hence changing lives of tens of millions of people. Punjab currently has $6 billion investment opportunities in 48 projects from 6 key sectors. Punjab offers a conducive and an enabling environment for business and investors. Tourism also adds color and character to this great province. The government of Punjab has put in place a robust framework of public-private partnerships for local and foreign investors. 17 projects worth over $1.3 billion are in the pipeline. 3 major projects amounting to $200 million have already been awarded to local and foreign investors. The Punjab Board of Investment and Trade is a one-stop shop for investors and investments. It has been specially set up by the Chief Minister himself to facilitate global network of progressive investors through one-to-one relationship and customized financial advisory.
Nestlé has been investing in Pakistan for over 30 years. Our largest recent investment was 10 billion Pak rupees, which is the equivalent of about $100 million in 2013.
We're investing in the Punjab, at the heart of Pakistan, where we see a great strategic location, great support from the government, and a fantastic industrial estate at M3 Industrial City.
We've never regretted the fact that we are in Lahore and in the Punjab, because it has an unlimited supply of good talent, both at the managerial level as well as the worker level.
Pencap eyaletinde 4 yılı aşkın süredir yaptığımız yatırımlardan çok memnunuz. Son yatırımlarımızla birlikte Pakistan'da yaptığımız yatırımlar $100 milyon geçti.
I treat my investor as my master, and we roll out a red carpet for all those who are ready to invest in this province.
Punjab is at the cusp of a global takeoff in the modern world. For centuries, people have reaped rich rewards for their investments in this great province. It is now time for tomorrow's investors to invest in Punjab today. Welcome to Punjab. Welcome to Pakistan.